Hello children, how are you all? Yes, my dear children, today we are going to learn a new lesson and that is O sound words. What we are going to learn children? Yes, we are going to learn O sound words. So all of you look here. First of all of you look at the beautiful pictures. Okay, can you see here what is this? Yes, it is a log. What it is children? Log. Log is a piece of a wood. Okay, so all of you repeat after me. L-O-G, log. All of you repeat. L-O-G, log. Now look here. What is this? Yes, everybody know. Yes, it is a dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. And have you seen one thing children? Yes, the middle sound is O. Why it is O? Because today we are learning O sound words. Okay. Now here we are having few more pictures. Look here, what is this children? Yes, it is a box. What it is? Box. All of you repeat after me. B-O-X, box. Again, B-O-X, box. And yes, mummy is using this, right, for mopping. What it is? It is a mop. All of you repeat. M-O-P, mop. Again, M-O-P, mop. And many of you enjoy playing with this, right? What is that? Yes, it is a top. Repeat children. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Here, what we are having? Yes, we are having few more pictures. And can you see? Yes, beautiful flower. And where it is? It is in a pot. So, what we are going to say children? P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. And here we are having a small cot. Okay. So, all of you repeat after me. C-O-T, cot. Again, C-O-T, cot. And after this we are having a conversation. And you know what is conversation? Conversation is a dialogue between a two person, right? And here we are having conversation between a teacher and a student. So, teacher is asking some question to her students, okay. Which toy is there of O sound? Yes, we have seen one toy of O sound. And all of you enjoy playing with that, right? Here we have seen. Correct. Which toy is that children? All of you look here. Yes, so yes, it is a top. And there is a boy named Raj. So, what is Raj saying? Yes, Raj is saying top. What toy is there in the picture? Top. Then teacher is asking another question. Children, are you having mop at home? Yes, teacher asking. You are having mop at home? What do we do with it? What we do with the mop? So, children are saying yes. We all have mop at home. And what we do with the mop children? What mummy do? Yes, we do mopping. Mummy do mopping with that. Okay. So, here now we are going to learn few more words with O sound. Okay. So, all of you look here and you have to repeat after me. Okay children. And the rhyming sound what we are going to use here is O-D, ot. What it is children? O-D, ot. So, all of you repeat after me. C-O-D, cod. C-O-D, cod. Again, C-O-D, cod. And what is a cod? Cod is a type of a fish. Okay. Next is G-O-D, God. G-O-D, God. Again children, G-O-D, God. And all of you have a picture of a God. Yes, and we pray to God. R-O-D, rod. R-O-D, rod. Again children, R-O-D, rod. Yes, rod is a type of a iron rod. A big iron rod is there. Okay. P-O-D, pod. P-O-D, pod. P-O-D, pod. All of you like green peas, right? Yes, and it has a covering. What we do? We open that covering and from that green piece we take out and mummy cooks, right? So, that covering is called a pod. Now, here we are having another rhyming sound that is O-G, og. What it is children? O-G, og. Now, again we are going to add initial sound to it. So, what it will become? D-O-G, dog. And all of you know what is a dog? Yes. D-O-G, dog. The next word is F-O-G, fog. What it is, children? F-O-G, fog. Yes, when we see fog, when it is too cold, and when you get up in the morning, you see everywhere white, that is called a fog. Okay. H-O-G, hog. Again, H-O-G, hog. Hog is a pig. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. Log is a piece of a wood, what we just now we learnt, right? Now here we are moving to another rhyming sound, that is O-P, op. So now we are going to take a rhyming sound op and we are going to write initial sound to it. So the first word is H-O-P, hop. What it is, children? H-O-P, hop. Hop means when you jump in on one leg, we call it a hop. Okay. M-O-P, mop. Now you know what is mop? Yes, mommy use it for mopping. So M-O-P, mop. Next word is P-O-P, pop. Pop is a loud sound, explosion. When you burst a cracker, a loud sound comes, right? That we call it a pop. P-O-P, pop. The next word is T-O-P, top. Now you know what is a top, right? T-O-P, top. Now we'll move on to our next rhyming sound, that is O-T, ot. Now again we are going to add initial sound to it and we'll see which word it will become, right? C-O-T, cot. You have learned what is cot. Yeah, it is a small bag. Okay, C-O-T, cot. Next is D-O-T, dot. Yes, you make a dot, right? With a pencil on a paper, you just put a dot. That we call D-O-T, dot. The next word is H-O-T, hot. Yes, when mama, she boils the milk. How it is? It is very hot. Then we cool it and then we drink, right? So hot, that is called hot. When she boils milk, it becomes hot. H-O-T, hot. The next is P-O-T, pot. We know, just now we saw where the flowers had grown in a pot. Okay, P-O-T, pot. Now we know the words, but now we are little big children. So now what we are going to do? We are going to learn short sentences. Okay, so it is also very easy, children. What we are going to do? Yes, we are going to look at the picture and we are going to make a short sentence. Now look here. Which animal is this? Correct. Dog. And down what is this? Log. So where is dog, children? Yes, the dog is on the log. So here see, we already made a sentence. So all of you repeat after me. A dog on a log. When something is on top of something, we call it on. That also we have learned. So all of you repeat after me. A dog on a log. What we are going to say? A dog on a log. Again, children. A dog on a log. Now look at the next picture. Yes. Now what is? There is a pot and something is cooking in the pot and that pot is on the stove. So when you cook something, how it will be? Yes, when mama put the milk on the gas and she boils this, how it will be? It will be hot. So here also we are cooking. So it is hot. So what we are going to say? A hot pot. What we are going to say, children? A hot pot. Again you are going to repeat after me. A hot pot. So what you are going to do, children? Now you know O sound words and you know how to make sentences with O sound. So what you are going to do? Yes, you have to learn these words properly and now you must know to form short sentences of O sound. So be a good children and study well. Thank you.